Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Sweetie Shah, Cure Plus Homeopathy Clinic, Bangalore. So today I am sharing some information regarding the immunity, how to increase your immunity and how to boost your immunity. Some small changes if you can do in your lifestyle, it will help you to increase your immunity. Increase immunity is not a one day effort, or there is no medication available, so you can take one medicine and it will increase your immunity immediately. It will take months together to increase immunity, you make you stronger immunity. So there, why we need a strong immunity? So that you can prevent yourself from the bacteria and virus, less chances to get infection, less chances to get infected with this fungi or bacteria or virus. Then healthy body will be there, and with this healthy body you will lead your happy life. There are number of factors which increase your immunity, like food, lifestyle, sleep, stress. So first we can talk about the food. We are taking like normal Indian diet. We have all this breakfast, lunch, dinner on time with the full meal. But what specific fruits and vegetable you can include to increase your immunity, like veggies or fruits which are green in colors. This green always having vitamin C and minerals like palak, methi, sarso, green peas, lauki, turai, bhindi, all green vegetables contain vitamin K also, which is very good for your health. With this you can add some roots like carrots and radish in your meal. With that, as you know, vitamin C is very important even for our immunity. You heard like we are taking vitamin tablets to increase our immunity. So instead of taking artificially, you can take natural sources. All the citrus fruit like orange, mosambi, kiwi, strawberry, papaya, this all the citrus, lemon, these all contain vitamin C. So better to take include in these things in your diet. Our body need very less amount of vitamin C, so which can be fulfilled by these things. Other than that, vitamin B12 is also very important. So food like sweet potatoes, avocado and beetroot contain B12 and vitamin B, so you should include this also in your diet. With this, banana is very good source of calcium, magnesium and potassium, so I think you should take daily one banana in your meal. Other than that, important thing is vitamins and minerals are always a very important part of our diet. I always prefer seasonal food in our plate because it is always easily available and fresh. In this season, in summer, you can get mango and jamun very easily. Mango is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K. And jamun is also very rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So you should include this seasonal fruit in your diet regularly. With these things, we should add some prebiotic in our food. Prebiotic means all fermented items which keep our stomach very light and easily digestible. So in this list you can add curd, buttermilk, yogurt, or you can add like idli or dokla, this kind of fermented item. In summer it is easily digestible. Food which contain omega-3 fatty acids. So for vegetarians there are very small things which contain omega-3 like almond, walnut and flaxseed. So if you are taking 4 to 5 almonds or 4 to 5 walnut daily in the morning and 1 teaspoon of flaxseed add in your daily activity, it will give you a miraculous effect. Other than that, these are the diet part, but your lifestyle should be corrected. So if you are taking proper quality diet but your lifestyle is very sedentary, very lazy and there is no physical activity, then it will affect your body negatively. So you have to do some physical exercise, like 45 minutes to 1 hour physical exercise is mandatory. Like we have breakfast, lunch, dinner time, we have to take regularly, like that you have to add exercise in your routine. It should be your morning rituals. Okay, according to your age you can select anything: walking, swimming, or yoga, meditation, anything you can do. Walking is always better than jogging, because jogging affects your knee joints. Because of in this pandemic we are not going out, stuck at home, so better to select some indoor exercises. A healthy body always keep your mind happy and calm. Other than that, if your diet is very good, if your lifestyle is also good, but your sleep pattern is not good, then also it will affect your body. Normally our body need 8 hours sleep. It is not like if you are sleeping 2 o'clock and get up in the 10 or 11 o'clock. This is not a good pattern. You should follow 10 o'clock night you have to sleep, and 6 o'clock 7 o'clock you get up. So 8 hour minimum sleep is body's requirement. It will relax your mind, your body, your muscle, and help indirectly to improve your immunity. If diet, your lifestyle, your sleep, everything is fine, but still you are feeling very lethargy, very weak, not able to concentrate, the next factor should be your stress level. If we in this pandemic everyone is suffering with some kind of stress, emotional, with the family, or financial stress. We are away from our home, away from kids, away from the parent. So you have to reduce your stress with the with the yoga or meditation, because this stress, in this stress condition, our adrenal gland release the cortisol hormone, which is also called the stress hormone. With this hormone, they come into the circulation and increase your heart rate and your blood pressure, which affect again your health, which reduce your immunity. So you have to lead a stress free, calm life. So these are the simple factors which can help you to improve your immunity. Other than that, the minute thing, like you have to hydrate properly. If dehydration is there, you feel more dull, drowsy, constipated, mood swing, or if you feel a headache also, because water help to circulate oxygen in our body cells, and water also, whatever toxic products are there, it will throw out with the water, with the help of water, by urine or by sweating. So minimum 3 to 4 liters of water intake or any liquid intake should be there. Other than that, sunlight is also very important and neglected factors. Like in our lifestyle, we are not having time to go out and take exposure of sunlight. Minimum 30 hours of sunlight, that is morning hours, are very useful, because sunlight help to improve our vitamin D, make our bones strong, and increase our immunity indirectly. Hygienic environment, you have to maintain, wash your hands properly, take bath regularly, change your cloth regularly. These are the common factors. If you are habituated to smoking or drinking, avoid, stop that one, or at least reduce the quantity. So it will help to increase your immunity. Avoid junk food and packet food or frozen food, because it contains a maximum amount of preservative, which indirectly affect your health. Take only fresh and homemade items. So these are the common things. If you can do this small changes in your lifestyle, your sleeping pattern, and your diet, you will definitely get a strong immunity and strong environment. Some homeopathy medicines are there which help to increase your immunity with all these factors, like Tinospora. This Tinospora is also called Giloy. So this help to increase your WBC count. WBC count is always help to fight against your bacteria. Other thing is alpha, which also increase your muscle strength and brain strength. Ginseng improve your nerve strength. Other than the Tulsi mother tincture is that is Ocimum sanctum, which is made up of Tulsi. This mother tincture which increase your respiratory system strength. It reduce the congestion. Other than that, you can take Echinacea. Echinacea is also called blood purifier, which increase the blood WBC count and help to fight against the infection. So these are the homeopathy medicine which help to increase your immunity drastically. So these are all about the immunity. If you have any query, any questions, please write down on comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy.